This is a Jamaican peanut cakes recipe. Some people call them peanut drops. In this pot is 2 cups of water. I live in Jamaica and the peanuts in Jamaica are very tough. So we have to boil them to soften them. If you live outside of Jamaica and the peanuts in your area or in your country are very soft, then use less water. But I have to cook my peanut in order for them to becomes soft. I am using 2 ounces of ginger that I finely chopped. Cover the pot and boil the ginger for about 2 minutes. Now I am adding the sugar. I am using half cup of granulated sugar, half cup of brown sugar. So I'm using 1 cup of sugar. You can use more sugar if you want, but I don't want a lot of sugar. I don't want the peanut cakes to be sweet. So I cover the pot and allow the sugar to dissolve. So now I am adding the peanuts. I am using 2 cups of peanuts that I parch. Parching is optional. However, I parch my peanut because I like the flavor from the parched peanuts. They are like roasted peanuts. Yeah. So it is totally optional. You can just use the raw peanuts. Yeah, man. So gonna cover the pot or give it out the pot a good stir. Cover the pot and allow the peanuts to boil until they're softened. Because as mentioned before, the peanuts in Jamaica are very tough. You understand? Now, as you can see, the water dissolved and the peanuts softened. Yeah, man. Exactly like how I want it to be, very soft. And so I am allowing the water to dissolve completely. I am adding a teaspoon of mixed spice. I am adding a teaspoon of mixed spice as well as a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, and I did added a teaspoon of almond flavoring. It didn't caught on camera, but I did added it. So I use a teaspoon of mixed spice, a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, and a teaspoon of almond flavoring. Give it a good stir, reduce the heat to the lowest settings, and allow the water to continue to dissolve. At this point, the pot should be uncovered because I will be stirring every 5 minutes or so. The water dissolved and it's time to spoon up the peanut cakes into heaping teaspoon. I have to move as quickly as possible. I am spooning out the peanut cakes onto a cookie sheet lined with foil paper that I slightly grease with butter. I did test a heaping teaspoon of the peanut cakes to see if it is okay. It was a little bit too runny, so I return it to the pot and allow the water to dissolve some more. So yeah, man, so after spooning out the peanut cakes, I am gonna allow them to dry for about say 20-25 minutes or maybe less. Yeah, man. After about a couple of minutes, about 20-25 minutes, the peanut cakes are ready. They are dry and ready to be eaten. And of course, in true Jamaican style, put them into a plastic bag. So this peanut cake costs 100 Jamaican dollars. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, share my videos, click post notification bell so you will know when I upload a new video to this channel. Walk good until next time. Stay blessed. Jah God and protect.